Imagine accessing thousands of high-quality videos for free and turning them into a steady income stream. In this video, I'll show you 4 ways to get these videos legally, use them on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest, and start making money. First, avoid downloading and re-uploading videos from social media. It's illegal and prevents monetization. Instead, use royalty-free sites like Pexels and Pixabay. A YouTube channel, Scenic Scenes, earns up to $15,000 per month using this strategy by compiling wildlife clips with music. You can do the same by downloading free videos, using a tool like CapCut or iMovie, adding music from YouTube's free library, and uploading consistently. Another great source is government archives like NASA. Channels like Space Shorts use public domain footage to get millions of views. By adding simple edits or commentary, you can create engaging videos and monetize them through YouTube Shorts, TikTok's Creator Fund, and sponsorships. The third method is content combination, compiling clips from free sources or social media into compilations like viral pet videos. Minor edits like voiceovers and captions make them unique and monetizable. The fourth method is repurposing long-form content into shorter clips. Break down webinars, podcasts, or live streams into bite-sized videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Adding captions, music, or intros boosts engagement and reach. Earnings can come from YouTube AdSense, TikTok's Creator Fund, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Viral videos can generate thousands of dollars, and with consistency, creators have reached 6-figure incomes in 1 to 3 years. Success takes patience, but it's achievable. Like and subscribe for more strategies, and start building your online income today.